Hello everyone, and welcome back to our aptitude sessions. In today's topic, we will be completing it up with blood relations. By yesterday, we covered the topic of reductions, and today we'll cover it up with blood relations. So, before we move on to blood relations, there are few things you must keep in mind. The easiest way, or one of the best approach to solve any such blood relation problem, is to draw diagrams. So whenever you're drawing the tree or your diagram or whatever of that sort, what we tend to do always and always towards the right side, we will always have the female genders. Grandmother, that could be grandmother, or perhaps mother, even mother-in-laws, or sister, daughter, granddaughter, all of them. And towards the left side, what we do is the opposite. We keep all the male genders. That includes grandfather, father, then brother, son, and yeah, grandson. Okay, that can even include in-laws, probably the brother-in-law, sister-in-law, or son-in-law, daughter-in-law, any such thing. All right. And we'll always follow something called as hierarchy. What do we mean by this? We will start with the oldest people. So whenever you start, don't start at one of the corners of the page. Start somewhere a little in between, so you have space to go up or down based on the question. So let's say they've spoken about father, so you write father here, and father's wife, that is nothing but mother. So father's wife is nothing but mother. And let's say you're talking about father's father-in-law, that is nothing but wife's father. So their father. And you give space for that. Similarly, when it comes to talk about father's brother, you can probably put something like this beside. Or let's say father's sister, this way. This is just one sort of convention that you can follow, or most of them follow. You can have your own conventions to follow, that is absolutely fine. But be sure not to get confused. You are able to solve it. Okay. You need not worry that always to the right I should take only the female gender. You can take it to the left. There is no issue at all. But accordingly, take the male gender to the right. Or if you want to do any such changes, it's up to you. But be sure that you are making the changes and you're thorough with the changes, if at all you want to change. Okay. And yeah, there are three types of blood relationship questions that can come in. One is jumbled descriptions. So it is kind of what to say, the like how you had jumbled puzzles in your puzzle test. Similarly, the entire thing is given in such a jumbled up manner, you might find it really hard to recognize, so you have to start drawing it. The second kind is relation puzzle. That is, A is related to B, B is related to C, C is related to D. How is A and D related? This kind of questions will come. Simple puzzle questions. They come under relationship puzzle. The third kind is coded relations, where they give you certain symbols and a symbol means something. What does that mean? They will give it to you in the question. For example, A plus B means A is the daughter of B. This will be given to you in the question. And either they will ask you which of the following sequence, or which of the following options best describe that P is the mother-in-law of S. This is one kind of question you will have in coded questions. If otherwise, they will ask you if A plus B means A is the daughter of B and so on, then what does A plus C minus D divided by E mean? So what does that mean? Or what is or they will give you this and they will ask, what is the relationship between A and E after giving A plus B minus C divided by E? All right, so these are the three categories of questions that you will have. All simple questions. We will get through them once we start with the questions. So any doubts still here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so let's move to the questions. Yeah. So pointing to a photograph, a man said, I have no brother or sister, but that man's father is my father's son. Whose photograph was it? So there is a man. He pointed to that and he said he has no brother or sister. But that man's father, that man is the photograph man. So let's take the photograph man as P. All right. This man's father is my father's son. This man.
I got this.
Sorry, Sana, I didn't hear you.
I got this person's answer, ma'am.
Okay, then just hold on. I will ask for
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Yeah. So this man's father is my father's son. So my father, all right, if you're confused, let's put my father's son. You guys found, all of you understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the answer then? Whose
A.
photograph is
His
it?
His
son.
own.
His son, ma'am.
It is his own.
His
This
own.
man,
A. Option A.
yes, Arman is right. It's option A because this is the photograph. All right. What is he telling? This person in the photograph, his father is my father's son. Who is my father's son? Me. This me is who? This guy.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, Sahana, are you fine with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you figured out this question? No doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. The answer is is option A, his own photograph he's talking about. All right, so let's move to the next question. Yeah. A and B are brothers. C and D are sisters. A's son is D's brother. How is B related to C? Okay, we have A and B are brothers. So we have A and B, they are brothers. And this side we're representing the feminine gender, that is C and D, they are sisters. So we have C and D, they are sisters. All right. So A's son is D's brother. Okay, it'll come here. A's son is D's brother. So when you're putting a hierarchy, you will get A. A has a son, and this son is none other than brother of D. And D has a sister, C. A has a brother, B. So all of you are clear till this hierarchy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so they have asked how is B related to C? How is B related to C?
Uncle.
No, no. Huh? No, no.
Uncle, ma'am.
Uncle, father, brother.
Ma'am, should we see B related to sisters?
D, ma'am.
Arman is correct, but I would like to know others. If you're finding another option as correct, why?
Mom, I didn't understood the question.
Okay, we will redo it. Yes, so A and B are brothers, C and D are sisters. Fine. A's son is D's brother. So they've given some relation between A and D through A's son. So A belongs to one generation. A's son, that is next generation, is on par with D. So when you say the next generation comes with A's son and D, then C also belongs to D's generation, that is the second generation, because they are sisters. Okay, and B goes to the first generation because A and B are brothers. Right, so let's chart them down. A, A has a son, all right? So I'm putting it in small s to represent son. Okay, and is D's brother, that is he is a brother to D. So he is a brother to D. Clear till here, Kusum? Now, what happens to D? D also has a sister. D has one brother S and has a sister, yes, C. One sister, that is C. And A has a brother. A has a brother called B. Okay. So now in this, D and C may be kids of B or may be kids of A. Okay, they might share the same parent or father A. They might share the same father B, or they could belong to three different parents as well. They've not told if A and B have other sisters also. They could probably have two sisters or one sister. D and C could be their kids as well. We do not know that, as in it's not specified in the question. Be it that way or be it the other way, when B is not the father, I mean, it is not explicitly mentioned in the question that B is a father to D or C, we cannot decide the relationship. So it will be uncle. The relationship will be uncle. So parents will be decided only when it is mentioned in the question. So option D, uncle, is the right answer. Sahana, is your confusion clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Others, all of you got through this?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay, so moving on to the next question. Yes, this is the coded kind of question. Guys, I don't know if you noticed, example 1 belongs to the jumbled description. Example 2 belongs to relationship puzzle. Third belongs to, that is, this belongs to coded relationships. Okay, so here A plus B means A is the sister of B. A minus B means A is the brother of B. A into B means A is the daughter of B. Which of the following relation shows that E is maternal uncle of D? So if E should be maternal uncle, then what is supposed to be there? E should be there. E should have a sister. So that means he should have, okay, let's put X as,
Minus plus.
yes, X minus E, that is X, no. A is the brother of B, which means E minus X. Or if it
Minus
is
X.
sister, then, okay, we will solve in both the ways and see. Okay, you're supposed to get E minus X, stating that E is the brother of X. Okay, that is E minus X. And they should have a son or daughter. Since they have not mentioned anything for son, we should take it for daughter. That is into the daughter Y. Okay, so in this case, Y should be D. Only then he will become the maternal uncle. This is one way. All right. All of you are clear till this equation or this
Yes, ma'am.
set of symbols? Okay. If otherwise, what should have been there? There is another way to tell X is the sister of E. Okay, and X's daughter is none other than, yeah, D. All right, this is also fine with you all. X's daughter is D and D is X is the sister of E. All of you clear with this equation as well?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me which is the correct answer.
C.
Option C. Yes, you are right. This X can be substituted with another letter. Here they've given F. All right.
Yes.
Hope all of you are clear till here. This is the correct answer. Yeah. Okay, so moving on to the next example. I hope nobody has any confusions or doubts.
Ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Arman.
Uh, E is the uncle.
Yes. Of whom? Of
E
D.
is the maternal uncle of D.
Yes.
So X is the daughter of D.
A into B means A is the daughter of B. Okay, this relationship, yeah, we had to change it. I believe it was supposed to be Y here. No, I think this will not work if I'm not wrong. Because you see A into B. Okay, substitute A and B with D and X. So they've given A into B
A,
means A is the daughter of B. So if you
A
put
is the
D
daughter of B.
into X, D into X,
Oh, D is the daughter of X. Oh,
yes, here you will get D.
hmm.
D is the daughter of X. So
Yes, man,
that's how this
understand.
relationship holds good. This I think may not hold good because here you're getting X is the daughter of D. You're supposed to get D is the
Hmm.
daughter of X. So this relationship will not hold good, right? That is why they've given this in the options.
Yes.
Yeah, so all of you clear with this? No doubts? No confusions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right. Okay, so let's move to the next one then. Yeah. A's father's mother-in-law's only daughter's son is B. Yeah, so how is A related to B? Okay, so you have A. A has a father and father's mother-in-law. So technically, if a father will have a wife, that is none other than mother. Yeah, mother and wife's mother. So wife will have mother. Remember, the small m was to represent the wife who is mother of A, and capital M mother of W. So should actually have a father here. All right. Yes. Okay.
A,
And yeah, A's father's mother-in-law's only daughter. Mother-in-law has only one daughter, and that is none other than W. That is a wife
mom,
of father. Yes, correct. That is mom. That is mother. And uh, only daughter's son. So they have a son. Okay, that is B. B
brother,
is son. Right.
Okay.
So how is A related to B?
brother,
Yes.
Brother, ma'am.
Okay, the question I think is a bit wrong. They were supposed to ask how is B related to A because A's gender is nowhere specified. It could be a male or it could be a
It
female.
could be a sister also.
Exactly.
hmm.
The question is a bit wrong. Kindly make those changes. It is how is B related to
I mean,
A?
it can be determined. It.
You can't be determined. Actually, the question is wrong because the
True.
answer here is supposed to be brother. True. That is true. That is that relationship you will get. If you can't find any relationship between these two, then only. But we have already we are given that B is the son, which means B is of male gender. B is supposed to be the brother. So B can
Hmm.
have a brother or a sister called A. That we do not know. This we
Yes,
do
ma'am.
not know. But B is the brother. This is understood. Small b for brother. He is supposed to be his or her brother, A's brother. Okay. So
Yes,
this
sir.
way you can't tell can't be determined because there exists a relationship. If you cannot derive any relationship from the given data, only then it can't be determined. And yeah, the answer is brother. That was option A. So yeah, guys, kindly make those changes. It is supposed to be how is B related to A? Clear with
Okay,
all of
ma'am.
you?
Yes, sir.
No doubts?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay, then we'll move to the next one. Yeah. So if A's father is B, C is the father of B and D is A's mother. Okay. A has a father who is B and B has a father who is C. C is the father of B. So C is the father of B. And D is A's mother. So A's father is B. So if D is A's mother, then it is nothing but supposed to be
Father.
B's wife. Yeah, B's wife is none other than mother. So how is C related to D? Yeah,
Father.
Father.
how is C related to D? This
Oh,
is wife.
father-in-law. Father-in-law.
This is wife. This is husband. It's father-in-law
Yes, ma'am.
because C is B's father. So C's son is B and C's daughter-in-law is D. So it is option C, father-in-law.
Yes,
Clear, all
ma'am.
of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll move to the next one then. Yeah. A plus B means A is the son of B. A minus B means A is the daughter of B. A cross B means A is the father of B. A divided by B, A is the mother of B. Okay. M into N plus O minus P by Q. Wow, very nice. How is M related to Q? Okay. Yeah, we'll start figuring it out. So M into N plus O minus P divided by Q. So if we are asked to find out the relation, write down this and start deciphering. A cross B means A is the father of B. M cross N, M is the father of N. So you have N has a father called M, right? N plus O. A plus B means A is the son of B. Okay, so N plus O, N is the son of O. So if this M is the father, then O is the mother because O's son is N. M's son is also N. So M and O are couples, nothing but husband and wife for that matter. Okay, yes. So now N and O, they both have a son N. As in their couples, they have a son N. And okay, A minus B means A is the daughter of B. Correct. O minus P, O is the daughter of P. So O has a parent called P. We don't know whether it is father or mother. We'll figure it out. And A divided by me means A is the mother of B. P by Q, P is the mother of Q. So P has another child,
Q.
Q. And they're given P is the mother of Q. So yes, they're supposed to have father. Father is not mentioned. How is M related to Q? So M is the father. M has O, that is wife, wife's sibling. Okay. O minus, yeah, O minus P, that is O is the daughter of P. P by Q, P is the mother of Q. So Q can be mother or sister, I mean brother or sister. You're able to determine it. Yeah. So
Yes.
yeah, guys. Yeah, who is it?
Yes.
Uh, sorry, can't hear you. Who's speaking? Yeah, guys, are you okay? Till here, are you clear that O and Q are siblings? Q can be
Yes, ma'am.
brother or sister. O is by default the sister because they're given, it's the female gender, it's given. So Q can be brother or sister. Is this clear with you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So then from the options given, is uh, is Q M's husband? No, because M himself is a father. And are they
Mhm.
cousins? No, they are in-laws.
No.
So
Brother-in-law.
brother-in-law, maybe. Uncle, no chance. Because if it was supposed to be uncle, they should have gone in the next generation, generation above M. Hierarchy should have come that way. P's generation. Let us say P's brothers. P's brothers could be uncle-in-law to M. Okay. So all of you understood why it cannot be uncle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then the only left out option for us maybe is brother-in-law, that is
Brother-in-law.
option C. Fine, clear till example 6, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So moving to the next example, A plus B means A is the son of B, A minus B, A is the daughter of B, A into B, A is the father of B, A by B, A is the mother of B. Which of the following means S is the son-in-law of P? So you have P, P should have a daughter, so P should have a daughter. That means,
P minus Q.
right. P minus Q means P is the daughter of Q. No, 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 no. Q minus P. So we'll put it as small d. We don't know the daughter is not given. So we'll put it as D minus P. A minus B, A is the daughter of B. D minus P, D is the daughter of P. So they have a daughter. And daughter should have a husband. That is not given. Very nice. Okay, in this case, we cannot go this way. What are we supposed to do? Take the options and start deciphering it. So P plus Q. P plus Q means A plus B is the son of B. P plus Q. P is the daughter of Q. No, P is the son of Q. So you have P here. Oh, I'm so sorry. Right. P plus Q. P is the son of Q. So Q is here in one generation. You have their son or his or her
P.
son P, and Q
Q's
divided by
mother.
R. So yeah, Q is the mother of R. So P is supposed to have
R.
a sibling R, and Q we got to know is the mother, none other than the female gender. Fine. And R into S. That means A is the father of B. R is
R
the
is father
father
of
of
S.
S. R is the father of S. Okay. And minus T. So, which
S.
means S is the daughter of T. So, R,
T.
yes, wife is T. Okay, so we are supposed to get S is the son-in-law of P. Is it possible? No chance. Because P and S are none other than uncle-nephew relationship. Because S is R's son and R has a brother or sister, that is P. So it's aunt or uncle slash nephew or niece, that sort of relationship. All right. So that will not happen. So option A is ruled out. Then what do we do? Take option B. So what is there in option B? P into Q. P into Q. P is the father of Q. Okay, so you have P. Yes, P and Q is the father. Q is the son or daughter whose father is P. So we know that P is father, male gender, right? And Q by R. So A by B is the mother of B. So Q is the mother of R. Okay, so we know that, yes, Q is the mother of R. Next, R minus S. R is the daughter of S. Okay, so S is supposed to be here, who's supposed to be the father, and R is supposed to be the daughter in this case. Yes. After that, plus T. S plus T is S is the son of T. S is the son of T. Okay. S is the son of T. Right. So which means T should be the mother. Okay. S is the son of T. Okay. I am sorry. It could be mother or father. I will tell you. So you have T here and could be mother or father. T's son is S. All right. So S and Q are none other than husband. They are couples. They are husband and wife, father and mother. And yeah, you should get S is the son-in-law of P. So P is the father. P
Then it's
has a
correct
daughter
option.
Q. Yes. P is father of Q. So Q is the daughter of P. Q has her husband S. So P's son-in-law is none other than S. Clear with this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
we get option B as a correct answer. All of you are clear, or you guys have any doubts? You want me to repeat?
No, ma'am.
Others?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll move on to the last question for today. Yeah. Pointing to a person, Raju said, he's the only brother of my father's mother's daughter. Okay, he pointed to a person, P, okay. And okay, this is a he, all right. This is a male gender. We'll see to it. He is the only brother. He's supposed to be the brother, okay. He's supposed to have a sibling here. Only brother of my father. Okay, I have me, my father is here. My father is there, father, my mother is there, their husband and wife. My father's mother, okay.
It is my father's mother. It's not father
Correct,
and mother.
correct. You're right. Just father's mother, right. Father's mother's daughter, that is father's sister.
Father's sister.
Yes, very good. Father's mother's daughter, his only brother, okay. Only brother of my father's mother's daughter. This person has only one brother. Okay, that one brother is my father.
Father.
So the person pointed out here is father.
Father.
So this person itself is in P for that matter. Okay, so the right answer is option B, father. All of you understood this question? You want me to repeat it again?
No, ma'am. Got it.
Others?
No, ma'am. Got it.
Okay, any doubts in any of the previous examples you have taken? Example 1 to 8?
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
could you repeat this again?
Sure. So, yeah. Okay, right. So what do we have? There is one person pointed in the photo. Okay, we don't know who this is. We have to find out who this is. This is our question mark. Now what happens? He is the only brother of my father's mother's daughter. So I have a father. Okay, I am here. That is me. And my father's mother, that is my grandmother. My grandmother has a daughter as well. That daughter is none other than my father's sister. Clear? Yeah, so this person, we landed at this. This person, that is my grandmother's daughter, has only one brother, and that only one brother is none other than my father. Only one brother, and they've already given this is my father. Already the male gender is
Yes, ma'am.
specified. So the person in the photo, that is P, is none other than my father.
Father.
So the correct option is option B, father. Clear?